Cindy and Jason's love story started back in 2018 during a weekend away in San Luis Obispo. They did all their favorite things that weekend, enjoying time with friends, listening to live music, and ultimately taking the next step from best friends to, well, more than friends. To this day, they still practice all of that, and their love has only flourished.
Words cannot describe the depth of my love for you, Cindy, yet I will try to express just how much you mean to me. For starters, you are my home, the person who I cannot wait to wake up to, and the person who I cannot wait to go to sleep next to. I love that when I am with you, I don't need anything else, and when I am without you, I'm only needing you. Our life is so full of laughter, silly moments, fun dance moves, world travels, and a lot of good eating. And I promise that this life will continue to be just that. I'm honored and overjoyed to spend forever with you as your husband.
Six years of love have brought us to this moment, and I'm so excited for the lifetime of love, laughter, and friendship that lies ahead. You're my partner, my love, my best friend, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. As I said, even if our paths had diverged, I'm certain fate would have brought us together, just as I'll continue to find you in every lifetime and love you endlessly until my very last breath. You are my world.
I give you this ring as a sign of my love and a sign of my faithfulness. And I say to you now, I am for my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
Jason, I give you this ring as a sign of my love and as a sign of our faithfulness, with all that I am and all that I will ever be. And I say to you, I am for my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
Mazel tov! It is with great pleasure that I pronounce you husband and wife, and Jason, you may now kiss your bride.
Proud of these two soulmates who crossed paths one day in college, been in love with each other ever since. They're both kind, hardworking, and ambitious to build a caring, lasting relationship we can all be proud of. We parents only had one chance to get it right. For us, parents, we're excited to see what their future will bring.
To his amazing friendships, and to his love and devotion for his now beautiful wife, Cindy. From the moment I met you, your shining light has brought such joy into our family, and I can go on and on about how amazing you are and how lucky I am that I get to now call you my daughter.
Seeing Jason and Cindy grow together over the years has been truly special. They complement each other in the best ways. Jason with his organization and stability, and Cindy with her infectious laugh and energy. They are the perfect balance of love, music, and friendship.
Jason and Cindy, you two embody not only pure love, but a genuine friendship. You're truly my sister. I'm beyond honored to celebrate you today and even more excited for what the future brings. Cheers to your forever love, and I love you both.
It's not the good times that make a strong relationship. May you grow old on one pillow, and may any pain that you experience be that of champagne.